Hi everyone.
Well, here we are, 10 years later on YouTube. We started February 6, 2012.
Plants. So you just sprinkle it around. You can also mix it into your soil as you're planting.
Now we've got 1,100 videos out there, and about 500,000 people have chosen to follow us and subscribe to our channel. We're totally stoked about all the friendships that we have made along the way.
We've got a fun video planned for you today.
Yes.
To give you a little bit of a hint, this video is sponsored by Hoselink. So we've got an amazing giveaway at the end of the video to thank you for all of your years of support.
There's a lot of backstory to our backyard than most of you know. So I'm going to tell you the beginning. First, when we just got this house, this was just one big hill. We were on a TV show where we had our backyard redone with 50 of our friends, and all of this was paid for. What a gift that was. Next, our very first video really wasn't intended to start a YouTube channel.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it was just a contest with my friends and I. We were like, who can make a video and get the most views?
So I was composting and Jerry said, what are you doing today? I want to come out and film you. I said, well, I'm putting some compost on my herbs. So he came out, filmed me, and I just told people what I was doing. It was crazy.
Yep.
And you know what? I discovered that I really loved teaching people how to grow their own food and get healthier.
And that's when something happened. People like yourself started asking questions about the video. Are you going to make more? This was very helpful to me, that type of thing. And the rest
It's
is
history.
When I found the Callie Kim Home and Garden YouTube channel, I was looking for composting videos. I wasn't a gardener at the time. Pretty much everything I grew died, and I wanted to create compost that I would give to family and friends who were gardeners. I had no intention of gardening.
Just wanted to wish Callie Kim and Camera Guy congratulations
Congratulations, you guys.
on making it to 10 years on YouTube.
Awesome.
This is what you have created. They're picking fresh peas off the... Yeah. They're really good, actually.
Oh, just dropped.
That we grew ourselves, and so excited. So thank you so much.
Good job.
Congrats. Congratulations.
Now that right there is what keeps us going.
Hi Callie Kim, Camera Guy, and Mac. Congratulations on 10 years on YouTube. We are so excited to celebrate with you. And because of you and your fantastic content on YouTube, we have been able to grow beautiful flowers on our own backyard garden and grow the most amazing and tasty, delicious vegetables and herbs that we use to create really healthy, nutritious, and yummy meals. And before we go, the kids just want to share what their favorite thing to grow in the garden is. So Vivi, what's yours?
Tomatoes and carrots.
Tomatoes and carrots. And Ollie?
Tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots.
Sounds
And
like...
I like lettuce too.
Oh, we like salads over here. So congratulations.
And Mommy doesn't like flowers.
And flowers. So congratulations again. We can't wait to see what the next year and the next 10 more years look like, and we will turn it back to you. Bye-bye.
We actually were just about ready to hit 50,000 subscribers, which was a huge, huge milestone.
That's right. We were all gathered around the laptop. I remember this now. We were all gathered around the laptop and we're watching it count down. We're at 49,995. And Drew was around us, Jules was around us, and we're all like 97, 98, 99. We're like, oh, come on, we need that one more subscriber, one more subscriber. Drew realized that he hasn't even followed us yet. And Drew goes, oh, hang on a minute. And he's hit subscribe, and we see the number change to 50,000.
I just wanted to let you know what a pleasure it's been to watch you guys over the years. I honestly think I've seen every single video, and it's a great pleasure to see that you share your knowledge on a weekly basis. It's awesome, and I find it very useful. I've been gardening for about 15 years, and I think your channel was one of the first ones that I ever picked up on, and thank you. And congratulations, keep up the good work.
Can we get to the good part?
Absolutely. To thank you all for your 10 years of amazing support and encouragement, we've got an incredible giveaway. A Hoselink retractable hose, accessory kit, and a signed copy of my book, The First Time Gardener, Raised Bed Gardening, which isn't even released yet. So there's so many ways to enter. The first way is leave a comment on this video. Tell us what you enjoy about our channel, what you love about gardening, anything you want, just comment down below. And we're gonna do a giveaway drawing on our Monday live stream on Monday, February 28th at noon Pacific time. It's gonna be so exciting. Now, multiple entries are allowed, and here's the second way that you can enter. Hoselink is doing the giveaway over at their website, hoselink.com/win. There's about 8 or 9 ways you can enter over there for another Hoselink reel. There's going to be 2 Hoselink reels and 2 signed copies of my book given away altogether. In addition to that, to thank you for your incredible support, there's more.
Awesome.
I'm giving you a 25% discount over at CaliKimGardeningHome.com, and this sale is going to be my deepest discount of the season, just to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all your incredible support. And that's going to run until Monday, February 28th. This giveaway is open to U.S. residents only in the 48 contiguous United States. And thank you so much, Hoselink, for sponsoring this video and making this amazing giveaway possible.
Now, another funny part of the backstory to the beginning of our channel is I mentioned a video contest. A good friend of mine was also in that video contest, and he made something for us to celebrate our 10-year anniversary.
That's right, we've been friends with him for all these years. He has a YouTube channel.
Joey Adelino.
Carves all kinds of stuff, and look what he carved for us. A sign, yeah, super cool.
That's way cool.
Thank you so much,
Thanks, Joey.
I've been watching for the past 2 years, learning and growing with you. One of the things that I've learned was vertical gardening. I did it with my watermelon. I trellised the watermelon up and also made some slings using nylon stockings. Also, I learned how to pollinate my flowers. Since I don't have a lot of pollinators, I use a brush and did it with my cucumbers and squash. I was successful with my cucumbers, but not so much with my squash. Congratulations again, and hope you have a great celebration. I can't wait for your new book on raised beds, since we're expanding to our backyard and building a lot of raised beds. This is Jan from Honolulu, Hawaii. Aloha!
So make sure you check the video description for all the links and information about the giveaway, about our 25% off sale, and we really appreciate you following us for an entire decade.
Yes, and we look forward to at least 10 more.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.